drown them in your silence. We often stumble, spilling words before they're ripe. We yearn for validation, puffing ourselves up, belittling others to build esteem. We crave recognition, spewing opinions to prove our worth. But have you considered the power of silence? 2 lips and a brain, tools for discernment. Know when to speak, when to hold your tongue. Let your words be gems, rare and impactful. Silence amidst chaos speaks volumes. Life's a whirlwind, but you control your response. Reflect, observe, rather than react. Oversharing is like handing weapons to your critics. Be an enigma, let them chase your understanding. They'll prod, they'll yell, seeking a reaction. Stay calm, unmoved. Your silence disrupts their game, leaving them bewildered. You're the one at the party, not dancing, yet captivating. They'll try to define you, but your silence paints a blank canvas. No need to argue, just chase your dreams with quiet determination. Let your success be the ultimate rebuttal. Silence is gold, takes on new meaning. Let your silence confuse them, keeping them guessing while you focus on your goals. You're unique, and that's your strength. The moment you realize no one truly knows you, you understand that self-justification is futile. Let them discover you organically. Don't offer easy labels. Let them play the guessing game. Their negativity thrives on your reaction. Starve them of it. Let your actions, your smile, be your response. Confuse them with your deliberate silence. All you need is to listen. Let them seek your voice. Let them be intrigued. What's more empowering? Revealing nothing, yet living life to the fullest. Thanks for watching. Be inspired, be silent.